Welcome to another video and another lecture. In this video, I will be teach you complete pathfinders, shape modes and pathfinders, all pathfinders and shape modes. It's very the name is shape modes and how to play it with shapes and how to use it and how to make shapes and creative angles. So in this complete video, I'll be teach you step by step. First of all, this is not working because of there is no any object or no any shape here where we can use and play with him. So let's get started. We can use with just like a square box. It's very simple square box I play here, and but it's not working on this because this is not used here. So but control C, control F for paste, shift alter small here, these one both of them. So I want to choose this one area and this one is remove. So control A for all select and click the minus font. This one is center is removed. Wow, you can check here both of them center is control C control F and small big size both of it and remove central area. These shapes play within the multiple area just like as we can play on the circle, the same here, and control C control F play on the circle and remove the central area. If you want to remove just like as another angle just select here and remove here just for all. But so I want to choose the same area here, control F control, I want to choose with same here, and I select all of these and I just pathfinder play with this one is complete lines. So I just remove center area and remove here, remove here, not for all, just here, this is all remove here. So you can choose here for your logo. I just play here. Wow, it's amazing when you play with another setup. So same this one is play with multiple areas, and if you want this line is too bigger, so you can double click here and this area is already selected. You just play with the same section. If you're small, if you're large, this is same area. But if you want to remove control Z, it's same situation here, backspace, work backspace. So I just play in small just like as this one is. This is not on one line here, so we'll select both of these and click here for unite means just like as the same here where okay, this one is like just we can use printing and publishing jobs. This one is front and this one is back side, and you can play with the area just like this. And product packagings we can use on the product packaging, this one areas. So then these all things are the same, are equals. So if you want to remove here, just click just change the color modes, just same here, and you can play with same lines and select all of these. This all of this area is selected. Same here, divide. These all are divided and double click here, select one of these. You can play with dark color. This one is purple. This one is just like as red. I want to choose this one is yellow. So this area I want to divide here, just divide here. I want to remove here, remove this size area, remove here. So click both of them and I just play with it small here. If you want to play with logo shape, wow, play with logo, nice. It's a creative idea and you just play with your logo. And if you drag here, this is one eye, human eye. It's simple. This one. So there's all shapes and shape modes and pathfinders play with different category and play with equal divides. You can divide just not for a square box, circle, cube. You can divide on text, images, and anything you can divide on here in the Adobe Illustrator in the same method. So that's it. So we will meet in another video. In next I will be teaching you the align, how to balance and where my logo put on space and where my shape is put for on artboards. So we will discuss in next video. I hope you like it and we will meet another video. Take care, bye.